In this video, I'm checking to see if DJI Mini 4, any drone with active track, would make for a good drone to use for vlogging. So let's check it out.
Takeoff.
Hey,
Home point updated.
excited to see, I know it's flying. It's pretty cool, huh? Okay, come on. So this does the GTA follow. Okay. Come on. This is like the hottest time of the day. We're at about 58% battery. I'm zoomed in all the way. Let's see what kind of look that gives me. Baby, come on. Give me hands. Let's see if we can make it to the park. I wonder how much lower I can go. Minimum flight altitude reached. Okay. So this is the lowest I can have the drone be if I wanted to follow me. Huh? I know, yeah, it's a drone. You like it? I think this is a viable option if you live in an area or are gonna be in an area that's not very populated. And maybe you don't have to worry about a lot of obstacles. But I think the other thing that this is gonna be really cool for is like bike rides and stuff. Just wanting to have it follow and things like that. And it's interesting because it hasn't had any issues so far with it potentially hitting something. I can always zoom out digitally to give me a wider angle. Elias, come on. I see you. I got eyes behind my head now. Come on, kiddo. I'm guessing that beeping has to do with notifying me of nearby obstacles. For the obstacle avoidance specifically. So right now I'm running all DJI. I got a DJI mic. I've got DJI Osmo 360. I got the DJI Mini 4. Not that the three of these things are working in tandem or anything. Each one is recording individually, and I am simply syncing the information up in post. Oh. Hey, look at that, it found me after it lost me behind the trees. Elias, here. Aja. Whee! Yep, we got a lot of obstacles there. You certainly do. All right, come on. Aja. Whee!
Battery level is low.
Battery level is low.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Okay, hold on. We gotta land it, baby.
Return to home. Landing.
There we go. So basically, the battery was good for about 15 minutes of flight time. So let's go ahead and swap the batteries. I did bring more batteries. Hey, kiddo, what are you doing with the camera? Okay, thanks for that. Okay, here we go. Recording now. Ready? 1, 2. Let's see. Highlight. And active track. So we go up. And then back. Ready? Whee! Yeah? Look. He's coming around. It's coming around. Wait. Here we go, right up the street. Hmm? Whoa. Look at that. I think we got 14 minutes of flight time left. So let's do an active track then. I can tell it to orbit me. Hey, buddy. It completely lost me. The active track on this is not the best. Maybe if I were to get to a more recognizable spot. Nope. Lost me again. I'm right up here, buddy. Perched up on top of this. Oh, it thinks I'm an object because I'm blending in with everything. Elias! Elias! Baby! Oh no, it lost me. So here's the thing. I am guessing that this would be great for recording a video or a vlog or even a walk and talk conversation. But somebody has got to be piloting this thing, or at least ensuring.
Is low.
Okay, I got you.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
No, I still got 5 minutes of flight time. I could make it home in 5 minutes.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got 5 minutes of flight time here. Oh. I feel like the really good shots, you still have to pilot it. And there's always going to be this constant All right, fine. Low battery.
Landing.
Ta-da!
Low voltage.
So if I wanted to use this like a Pocket 3, I really can't. I would have to hold it up like this and then walk and talk. Let's see if I pull back. It's actually a little too blurry at this distance. Ooh, it's a hot day. It's like 100 degrees out, if not more. But yeah, so I think it makes for a great video. It might make for a good follow thing, but I don't think one can do it without actually paying attention to the thing. It's definitely easier to use compared to the DJI Mini 2, which is the one that I have. This one is for work, giving it a quick test run. But I think overall, it's definitely easier to use. I think will make for some great content, but not at this time. Maybe in the mornings or later in the evenings. All right, guys, see you later. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you soon.